run your head into Jessie's car. She'll cry. I think the young dudes are getting more wore out too. Son, what was that?
We're at my two.
Look, both of them.
You can tell they were father and
Just made
son.
it again. You're up by 3.
We just made
Oh, they just made it. So they're only up by 1.
I started saying because both of the stewards was leaned over.
Bobby just was too. Oh!
Oh, Michael's gonna walk or something.
Walk.
Walk!
He's at me over here. Tied up yet?
That just tied it up.
Woo.
That throws at Bobby's feet. Now they're 1 up.
You guys needed to set a play to 20 or something.
Oh, he's too tall.
He's too tall.